Now the question number 13 of exercise 3.5. Draw the graph of the equation 3x minus y plus 9 equals 0, 3x plus y equals 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 6 equals 0. Also determine the vertices of the triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. Now for the equation, three x minus y plus 9 equals 0, we have y equal 3x plus 9, therefore we have following table. For y, firstly we put x equal minus 2. We have x equal minus 2. Then value of y is y equal 3 into minus 2 plus 9 means 9 minus 6. Value of y is 3. X equal minus 1. Value of y is 6 means we put x equal minus 1. 3 into minus 1 plus 9 means minus 3 plus 9. Value of y is 6. And x equal 0. Value of y is 9. 3 into 0 plus 9 means value of y is 9. Means we this line y equal 3x plus 9 passes through minus 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 6 and 0 comma 9. Another line for equation y equal minus 3x, we have put x equal minus 1. Means x equal put different value of x so that we find the value of y. Put x equal minus 1, we get y equal 3 means x equal minus 1. Then y equal 3 into minus 1 gives 3. X equal 0. Value of y is minus 3 into 0 means 0. X equal 1. Value of y is minus 3 into 1 means minus 3. Means line y equal minus 3x passes through minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 0 and 1 comma minus 3. Now third equation, for equation 3x plus 4y minus 6 equal 0, we have y equal minus 3x plus 6 by 4. We put different value of x so that the numerator of this term is completely divisible by 4. Means firstly we put x equal minus 2. We have y equal minus 3 into 2 plus 6 by 4, means minus 6 plus 6 by 4. Value of y equal 0. X equal minus 2. Minus 2. We have y equal minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Then 6 plus 6, 12 by 4. This 3 means when x equal minus 2. When x equal 2, value of y is 0. When x equal minus 2, value of y is 3. Now put x equal x equal 6. We have y equal x equal minus 6 means minus 3. X equal 6. We have minus 3 into 6 plus 6 by 4 means minus 18 plus 6 by 4 minus 12 by 4. Value of y equal minus 3. When x equals 6, y equal minus 3. Now put these value on graph paper. We have now line y equal 3x plus 9 passes through 3 points. Point A, which is minus 2 comma 3 means minus 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 6 and 0 comma 9. Minus 2 comma 3 minus 1 comma 6 and C is 0 comma 9. Line y equal minus 3x passes through the point minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 0 and 1 comma minus 3 means line y equal minus 3x passes through point P is minus 1 comma 3, Q is 0 comma 0 and R is 1 comma minus 3 and line (3x plus 4y equal minus 6) passes through point 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 3 and 6 comma minus 3, then passes through E point, which is 2 comma 0, F point minus 2 comma 3 and G point 6 comma minus 3. Now plot these points on this graph paper. We have first point is minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3 means value of x is minus 2 and value of y is minus 3. It is origin, means 0 comma 0. Value of x is minus 2. We move in the direction of negative direction of x-axis. It is positive direction of x-axis. It is negative direction of x-axis. It is positive direction of y-axis and negative direction of y-axis. Now for x equal minus 2, we move in the negative direction of x-axis at minus 2 unit, and in the positive direction of y-axis 3 unit. Positive direction of y-axis means upward x-axis. We come to this point and it is minus 2 comma 3. Now x equal minus 1, y equal 6, x equal minus 1 and y equal 6. We come at this point, x equal minus 1, y equal 6 and 0 comma 9 means x equal 0, y equal 9. We come at this point 0 comma 9. Then we obtain the equation of line is passes through minus 2 comma 3, 0 comma 6 and (0 comma 9) is this equation. It is minus 2 comma 3, a point minus 2 comma 3, a point minus 2 comma 3, b point minus 1 comma 6 and c point is, sorry, it passes through this point means. Now second line is P minus 1 comma 3, Q 0 comma 0 and R 1 comma minus 3. P minus 1 comma 3 means at x equal minus 1 in the negative x equal 1 in the negative direction of x-axis and minus 3. X equal minus 1, y equal 3. Then we get this point. This is the point. 0 comma 0 is this, and x equal 1, y equal minus 3 is x equal 1, y equal minus 3, this point. Then join this line. You have x equal 1, y equal minus 3, and it is point x equal minus 1 comma 3. This is the point 1 comma minus 3 and it passes through 0 comma 0. Now third line 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 3, 6 comma 3, u have to plot these points on graph paper so that you get accurate diagram of these lines. 2, 0 is this point, 2, 0, minus 2, 3, x equal minus 2, y equal 3, x equal minus 2, 3 is this point, and 6, minus 3 means x equal 6 and y equal minus 3. This is the point 6, minus 3. Now join these lines, we get minus 2, 3, 2, 0 and 6, minus 3. Two, 0, 6, minus 3, and it is minus 2, 3.